Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. This is Kathy. I'm back with another reveal video here on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel, and today I will be sharing with you this super cute Christmas Who stamp set, and there are coordinating dies as well. There are 6 images, and the owls measure about 1.5 by 2 inches, 1.25 by 1.25 inches. This little guy is 1.5 by 2 inches. The sign measures 2 3/4 by 1 3/4 inches. This little owl is 1.5 by 1 3/4, and the final owl is 1.5 by 1 3/4 inches. There are also 5 sentiments that come with this stamp set, and the thing that I really like is that the stamp that's in the center of the wood sign there, that's not attached, so any of the other sentiments can be used and will fit on that sign. And here's a quick look at the coordinating dies. And I also have 2 samples to share with you today. This first one is a little latch card that I created using the Christmas Who. And I brought in some of the patterned paper from the Blurry Flurries paper pack. And I'll have a video on that card over on my YouTube channel, which I'll link down below. My second card is a Slimline easel card, and I'll have a video on how to create that card right here on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel on November 25th. For more inspiration, head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd also love to have you follow us over on Instagram as well as join our Facebook group. For more information, I'll have all of that linked in the description box below for you. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.